model, 67-plate Ford Transit 352.0 TDCI rear-wheel drive MOT'D Euro 6 needs turbo bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 142523. MOT, 27 February 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo will need replacing as it's noisy, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Nice, simple, easy, repair, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.